To keep their skin looking as youthful as in their 30s, many Korean women use just one potato every night. Can you believe that? No need for harsh chemicals or expensive skincare products. You'll be amazed at what a simple potato can do for your skin. Stay with me until the end of the video because I'll be sharing 2 easy recipes that may help reduce the look of wrinkles, brighten the skin, improve elasticity, and leave it smooth and naturally radiant. First, let's start with our main ingredient, the potato. Rinse it thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt, then peel off the outer skin. You might not know this, but in the 16th century, potatoes were once considered white gold in Europe. When they were first brought from South America to France, Queen Marie Antoinette not only used potato flowers to decorate her hair, but also applied fresh potato juice to brighten her skin and soothe sunburn. Even in ancient Egypt, people used mashed potato powder to cool the skin, reduce puffiness, and smooth fine lines around the eyes. All of this shows just how remarkable the humble potato truly is for natural care and beauty. After peeling, grate the potato finely to extract its juice. This is the golden key of today's recipe. Potato juice is rich in vitamin C, natural enzymes, and gentle plant starches that may help brighten the skin, soften texture, reduce dark spots, and improve overall tone. Once done, use a thin cloth or fine strainer to separate the liquid. The fresh potato juice you collect is a truly precious essence, light, smooth, and full of natural nutrients that can leave your skin looking clearer, firmer, and more radiant day by day. Now that we've prepared our main ingredient, let's begin with the first recipe. The second ingredient in today's formula is chickpeas, a nutrient-rich legume, often called the plant-based protein for healthy skin. Prepare 2 tablespoons of dried chickpeas and about 3/4 cup 200 milliliters of water. Then simmer over low heat for about 15 minutes. I'm curious, at your age, what's your personal secret to keeping your skin healthy and glowing? Share it in the comments below. Your little tip might be the perfect inspiration for someone else. When the chickpeas turn soft and release a gentle nutty aroma, turn off the heat. Scoop out the beans and keep the light golden liquid. This is what I like to call natural collagen water, known for helping the skin stay smooth and supple. Chickpea water is rich in plant-based protein, amino acids, and zinc, which may help improve elasticity, firm the skin, and support natural cell renewal. Now that we have this nutrient-rich chickpea extract, we'll move on to creating the base mixture for our natural anti-aging cream. First, add about 1/4 cup 50 ml of rose water to the strained chickpea liquid. Rose water not only helps balance the skin's pH and tighten pores, but it also carries a gentle, relaxing scent perfect for an evening skincare routine. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and stir well until it's completely dissolved. Now place the pot on very low heat, stirring continuously as it cooks to prevent the mixture from sticking or burning at the bottom. This mixture forms the brightening and smoothing base for our cream. Cornstarch helps absorb excess oil, deeply cleanse the skin, and soften the appearance of fine lines, while chickpea water provides plant-based collagen that may help firm and improve skin elasticity. When the mixture starts to thicken and turn into a smooth, creamy texture, turn off the heat and let it cool naturally. Now it's time to complete the formula. First, add 2 tablespoons of potato juice to the mixture. Just a small amount of potato juice, when used the right way, can leave your skin looking soft, smooth, and beautifully radiant, almost like in your 30s. Next, add 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil. This oil is rich in omega-3 vitamin E and natural antioxidants, which may help smooth fine lines, improve elasticity, and leave the skin surface soft and refined. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel. Aloe deeply hydrates, soothes, and helps restore dry or rough areas, giving your skin an instant feeling of softness and freshness. Stir the mixture well until it becomes creamy, smooth, and light yellow in color. With a delicate natural scent, your perfect all-natural nourishing cream is now ready to use. To use this mask correctly, start by cleansing your face with warm water to open the pores and prepare your skin to absorb nutrients better. Then, using your fingertips or a soft brush, apply a thin layer of the mask evenly across your face, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the nutrients from potatoes, aloe vera, and grapeseed oil to deeply penetrate the skin, delivering hydration and nourishment from within. When the mask begins to dry, slightly rinse it off with warm water and gently pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. After just a few uses, you'll notice your skin feeling smoother, softer, and naturally radiant, as if it's been gently renewed from within. Transfer the mixture into a clean glass jar. Seal it tightly and store it in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 days to preserve its freshness and nutrients. Use it 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start to see visible improvements: firmer, more supple skin, a brighter tone, and smoother texture, with fine lines gradually fading. This is a simple yet long-lasting skincare secret, especially beneficial for dry, dull, or mature skin that needs gentle nourishment and a youthful glow. Next, we'll move on to the second recipe: flaxseed gel with potato juice, a natural secret that helps the skin feel firmer, more elastic, and smooth like youthful skin. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to a small pot. Then pour in about 200 milliliters of water. Simmer over low heat for 10 to 12 minutes until the mixture turns into a light gel-like texture. Flaxseed gel is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and natural fibers, which help hydrate the skin, improve firmness, reduce dryness and irritation, and support the skin's natural renewal process. Which country are you watching this video from? I would love to know where you're joining from. Leave the name of your city or country in the comments below. It's truly wonderful to connect with friends from all around the world. When the mixture thickens and turns slightly sticky like a light gel, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Then use a fine cloth or strainer to remove the seeds, keeping only the clear, silky gel. This is the part rich in omega-3s and natural plant mucilage, which helps moisturize and smooth the skin naturally. Next, add 2 tablespoons of fresh potato juice, 1 pump of castor oil, and 1 teaspoon of rice bran oil. Potato juice helps brighten and even out skin tone, gently reducing dullness while nourishing the skin from within. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, deeply moisturizes, softens, and supports the skin's natural renewal process, leaving it smooth and supple. Rice bran oil contains vitamin E and gamma-oryzanol, powerful antioxidants that help slow visible signs of aging and improve the skin's natural elasticity. Stir well until everything blends into a smooth, lightweight, and easily absorbable texture. Pour the mixture into a clean glass jar. Seal it tightly and store it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. Use it the same way as the first recipe. If you apply it 2 to 3 times a week, your skin will gradually feel smoother, firmer, and more lifted while maintaining its natural elasticity, leaving you with a fresh, healthy glow every day. Taking just a little time for yourself with a few simple ingredients like potato chickpeas or flax seeds can make a big difference in keeping your skin soft, radiant, and well-nourished. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our simple natural health tips.